My name is Stephanie Obi, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how to use an online course to sell more products. Let me tell you how it works. So let's say you sell hair care products. You sell products for people who have natural hair. So things like shampoos, conditioners, sprays, oils, all those good stuff. And you know a lot about how people can use these products and take care of natural hair, how they can style their natural hair, it will be on flick all the time. You're so good at that, you even have products that you sell. Now, what you can do is that you can create an online course where you teach people with natural hair how to style their natural hair. In each of your video lessons, you'll be showing them how to use your products that you are selling to style their hair. So you'll be recommending your product to them. You'll be saying you'll be saying this conditioner is very good. Use it this way. Massage your hair. All that. As you're teaching them, you're recommending your product to them and showing them that this will help them to get the desired results. Look, let me tell you, what do you think will happen? People will pay for your knowledge, which is your hair styling tips, and they can use to style a natural hair, number one. Number two, they will also pay for your product. So you have a win-win situation. You're using one stone to kill two birds. Let me give you another example. Let's say you sell smoothie makers. You can create an online course where you teach people how to make different types of smoothies. So you will share different recipes with them and you'll be showing them how to make these smoothies. And in each of your video lessons, you'll be showing them how you're using your smoothie maker that you sell to make these beautiful smoothies. And that's a great opportunity to show them why your smoothie maker is the best, your smoothie maker is good, why it's the best fit for anybody who wants to make smoothies, how easy it is to use, how convenient it is, how, all your benefits. You'll be explaining it to them in the video. Now, what you find is that some people will find you through your online course. They will pay for the course, and they'll also decide to go and buy your smoothie maker because you, who is the expert, has said that this smoothie maker is the best. So a lot of great things happen when you position yourself as an expert. It's easier for you to sell and you will make extra money and you will sell more of your products. Like I said, it is a win-win situation. You're always using one stone to kill two birds. Now let's bring this home. How can you apply this same strategy? Look at what you're selling, that product you're selling, and then ask yourself, what questions are my customers asking? What questions are my customers asking about my product? What are they Googling? What are they trying to find? What information do they have? If you have that knowledge, you can package it into an online course, sell it, and grow your business. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you would like to learn more about online courses, please follow my page. This is all I talk about. And if you know anyone who this might interest, please share this video with them. Tag their name in the comment section. Send the link to them. Thank you so much. And I hope to see you again.